beautiful friends, my name is Anna. Welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am going to show you how to make a very decadent Spanish style hot chocolate. Like I said, this is very rich and it's a little different from the American style hot chocolate because we're using cornstarch. So it's a very thick consistency. This is perfect to eat with churros. Since it's so thick, you can dip it in and it coats around the churro and it is so delicious. Okay, let me show you the ingredients. Not very many at all. You only need like 4 ingredients. It's very simple. So without further ado, let's get into it. The magical ingredients are milk, chocolate, cornstarch, and optional, a tiny bit of instant coffee. That is it. That is all you're gonna need. For the chocolate, I'm using milk chocolate. I also like to do a mix of dark chocolate and milk chocolate. It's even more decadent and rich. But for this one, I'm using milk chocolate. You can also do dark chocolate and then add a little bit of sugar if you like. And as you can probably see, I'm not adding any sugar because the milk chocolate can be very sweet. So I don't think it's necessary. If you like yours a little sweeter, by all means add a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of sugar, whatever amount you like. The instant coffee is completely optional, but in my opinion, it's a must because coffee just makes anything chocolate so much more chocolatey, if it makes any sense. And I'm also using like an 1/8 teaspoon here, which is not a lot, but it is so good in this recipe. If you're using a chocolate bar like I am, I recommend that you give your chocolate a quick chop. That way it can melt easier. But if you're using, let's say, like chocolate chips or anything like that, I don't think you need to do this. So, okay. So as you can see, you want small little pieces like this, nothing too crazy. So now that we're done with this part, let's go over to the stove so I can show you how to make this delicious recipe. I have a small saucepan here. I'm gonna turn the heat to medium. And now to it, I'm going to add the milk, the instant coffee, the cornstarch. I'm gonna give this a quick mix. Now that the milk is slightly warm, I'm gonna go ahead and add the chocolate. You want to keep whisking it until the chocolate melts completely. The chocolate has completely melted. Now I'm going to let this come to a slight boil so the mixture can thicken up a little bit more. My hot chocolate came to a slight boil and as you can see, it's a lot thicker now. It's not as liquidy and you're gonna feel it on your whisk. Our hot chocolate is done. I have my little mug here. I'm gonna show you how luxurious and perfect this hot chocolate is. Okay, look at this. You see, it's like a cream. It is so perfect. I don't know if you guys can see, but look how thick that is. This would be so perfect with churros right about now. It is just so delicious. I can see myself dipping churros in this. It is so good. Obviously, I have to give this a try because it wouldn't be me if I didn't. I'm just gonna wait for this to cool down just a bit because it is piping hot. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna try it with a spoon. Oh, that's good. Trust me, make sure if you have it, put some instant coffee in this. It makes the world of a difference. Just makes it even more chocolatey. I don't even know how to describe it. I just know it's fantastic. So thick. It just feels so nice in your mouth. The only way you know how delicious this is if you make it. So make sure you do. Remember, the written recipe is on my website, www.anitasdelightsrecipes.com. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm waiting for you to join our growing family. So I hope you enjoyed it and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye bye.